Hello everyone, my name is Sean Treglia and I appreciate you taking the time to review my presentation on customer relationship management, which helps to manage your company's interactions with current and potential customers. CRM, also known as customer relationship management, is defined by Salesforce.com as a technology for managing all of your company's relationships and interactions with customers and potential customers. At its core, customer is the heart of your organization. Relationship is the key to growing your company through engagement with your prospects, customers, and stakeholders. And management is managing these stakeholder relationships to increase lifetime value. As you can probably tell from the theme so far, it's all about the customer. The key is to deliver customer value and increase loyalty. And as you can see here, we have a smiling customer with 5 different service deliverables such as quality, service, efficiencies, reliability, and logistics. The importance of CRM is profound. It helps to better understand the needs of individual customers. It assists in reducing customer churn. It increases leads. It allows for an increase in revenue per customer. And it helps to establish a resource to deliver a consistent experience. Now, customer loyalty is a big part of customer relationship management, and I would almost say it's the most crucial piece of it. Customer loyalty is simply defined as the likelihood of previous customers continuing to buy from a specific organization. Now, the objectives of a CRM system consist of acquiring more customers, retaining current customers, building customer loyalty, and increasing profitability. And at the end of the day, it's all about increasing your customer lifetime value. Now, here on the right, you'll see a graph with a number of different industries, such as credit cards, industrial distribution, industrial laundry, life insurance, and auto services. And it shows the relationship between profitability and increases in loyalty. So as you can tell, the profit increases as loyalty increases. Now, CRM definitely has quite a few benefits for the organization specifically. It helps to improve the culture and structure. It helps better customer understanding. It improves people skills and competencies. It has a lot to do with incentives and compensation. It has a lot to do with employee communications, as well as partners and supplier communications. And then along with the benefits for the organization, there are a number of benefits for the customer, as the whole object of customer relationship management is for the customer and improving the relationship with them. Specifically, it helps to understand requirements, monitors expectations, it evaluates satisfaction versus your competition. It includes collaboration and feedback, and then just any and all customer communication. Now, as defined by Salesforce.com, CRM strategy consists of managing an organization's relationships and interactions with customers and potential customers. A Forrester report that I found surveyed approximately 150 companies and in an effort to identify problems with their current CRM initiatives. 18% of the respondents reported issues directly related to CRM initiatives. And the outcome of the study or the survey was that without an effective strategy, businesses run the risk of missing the mark on delivering customer value. Now, there are a few steps that are very important in developing a winning CRM strategy. The first of which being setting a destination. More than anything else, your CRM should help your company achieve its goals. And that's what it's meant by setting a destination. It's important to prioritize your customers. A lot of times businesses want to treat all customers the same, but when in fact certain customers are more profitable than others, and more focus needs to be put towards the profitable customers. Communications with your employees. That obviously speaks for itself, but it's very important that everyone's on the same page and they have all the information needed, which a CRM system certainly can bring to the equation. It's very important to make sure you stagger your changes. If you go with an all-out implementation at one time, if something's not working correctly, that pretty much shuts down your whole operation. So you want to kind of go step by step and just make sure all the moving parts are working in conjunction, and that'll be able to help you deliver the best value to your customers. It's important to be able to track your customers before first contact, whether that's looking up a customer or a company via Google and just having something to talk to them about when you make that first outreach to them. And then you also want to make sure everything syncs to your CRM. So a lot of companies, my company is a industrial manufacturer, and our entire order management and order fulfillment syncs right up to our CRM, and it makes everything, it's kind of like a one-stop shop, and it makes everything a lot easier on all the employees, which in turn makes it, provides the customer with a better experience. And then it's important to always be evaluating and improving upon your CRM system. Now, there are a number of challenges with your customer interactions that CRM systems can help to improve upon. These include reporting, marketing, and support on this slide. With reporting, it's pretty easy to not understand how marketing affects sales. And if you're using a CRM system correctly, that translation will be right there for you and make it a lot easier for everyone to understand. Along with that, poor visibility into business performance. And then as far as marketing is concerned, if your lead generation is not really building up your pipeline, there is probably a good idea to invest in a CRM system to track all of your developments as far as that's concerned. Making the right offers to the wrong customers, incohesive teams, and mixed messages across multiple campaigns. And then as far as support's concerned, with the CRM you'll be able to track all this and have all the previous contacts in there, but if you don't have an effective CRM system, your sales reps can call and upset customers without knowing what had happened previously, and that will lead to even more problems. There can be long response times for service, and it's important to know if that's been an ongoing issue, or when the last time this happened was, so that you can apologize or let the customer know that it was just a one-time thing, but it won't happen again. And then relating back to my last slide, all customers receive the same treatment. As far as challenges with customer interactions with sales, if you have a system and your sales rep don't use the system, that can create some issues. The inability to accurately forecast business, and when teams are not working together. And then as far as collaboration and how a CRM system can play a big part in that, and you can do all of these within your system, is portal integration, content syndication, document management, project management, and office and wireless support. Now, there are a few elements to a successful CRM selection and implementation, and these include CRM review and selection, project management, vendor contracting and software licensing, which can be the biggest and the most biggest pain point for companies that are looking into selecting and implementing a CRM system. This can take months or years even. You need to make sure that whoever you're working with is able to provide you with what exactly it is you need to best serve your customers. CRM system customization, data migration, and then training and support. So what has changed over the years that has led to the importance of having a CRM system? Well, the traditional buying model has become much more complex due to a number of factors, including the internet, technological advances, social media, and buyer behavior. Technology's impact on CRM, your customer buying behavior. Now we're seeing a lot of people buy directly from their smartphone, whether it's via apps or whatever the case may be there. Communication between companies and customers has become a lot more focused and succinct and easier. Instead of picking up the phone and calling now, we're simply submitting an inquiry online or via a social media site, a Facebook or Twitter. And then technology has also played a huge role in the collection of data. Now, over the years, the more general technological evolution of CRM in itself was back in the 80s. The CRM systems were IT assisted. In the 90s, they became IT automated. From there, we saw a lot more of SaaS, CRM, or online web-based type systems. And today, social and mobile CRMs are becoming more and more common. Looking into the future and how CRM plays a role there, the growth of the Internet of Things is definitely going to play a big part there. It already is. Everything goes back to the customer's experience, so system integrations are hopefully going to be able to improve upon better customer experiences. And then employee empowerment equals customer satisfaction. So it's very important that systems are easy to use and customer friendly. And then customization, as I touched on earlier. Thank you everyone for taking the time to review my presentation today. I do have a few questions for discussion, first of which being, security is becoming an ever-increasing focus in the business world. How do you envision security playing a role in the development of future CRM systems? Next, please take a look at the link I've provided and discuss which CRM trend you believe will be most crucial to the success of the future organization. And finally, does your organization utilize a CRM system, and if so, what improvements could be made to more effectively service your customers? Thank you again, everyone, and enjoy the rest of your day.